Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a popular kitchen ingredient that has been praised for its potential health and beauty benefits. While some of these claims may not be supported by extensive scientific evidence, many people have reported positive experiences with using apple cider vinegar for various beauty purposes. Here are 8 potential beauty benefits. Skin toner. ACV is often used as a natural skin toner. Its acidic nature may help balance the skin's pH levels, which can contribute to a clearer complexion. Dilute ACV with water and apply it to your face using a cotton pad. Acne treatment. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of ACV may be beneficial for treating acne. It can be applied topically to acne-prone areas, but it's essential to dilute it with water to avoid irritation. Hair rinse. Apple cider vinegar is believed to help remove residue from hair products, balance the scalp's pH, and add shine to the hair. Mix ACV with water and use it as a hair rinse after shampooing. Dandruff control. The acidity of ACV may help combat dandruff by adjusting the pH of the scalp and reducing the growth of yeast. Mix ACV with water and massage it into your scalp before rinsing. Teeth whitening. Some people use a diluted solution of ACV as a natural teeth whitener. However, it's crucial to use it cautiously to prevent enamel erosion. Consider consulting with a dentist before trying this method. Sunburn relief. Adding a cup of ACV to a bath may provide relief for sunburned skin. The acetic acid in ACV may help soothe the skin, and the bath water's pH can potentially contribute to healing. Nail care. Soaking your nails in a mixture of ACV and water may help strengthen them and reduce discoloration. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with brittle or discolored nails. Body odor control. Some people use ACV as a natural deodorant by applying a diluted solution to the underarms. The antibacterial properties of ACV may help kill odor-causing bacteria. It's important to note that while many people find these beauty uses effective, individual responses can vary. Additionally, excessive or undiluted use of ACV may cause skin irritation or other adverse reactions, so it's essential to patch test and dilute as needed. Always consult with a healthcare professional or dermatologist before incorporating new ingredients into your beauty routine, especially if you have sensitive skin or existing skin conditions.